Good morning guys! Welcome back to a new vlog. So for today, lalabas tayo and mag-explore lang tayo sa Siam Paragon. And let's see what else we can do there. So samahan niyo ako. Tara na! So guys, nakasakay na tayo ngayon dito sa car going to Siam Paragon. We are now here inside the Siam Paragon. Now let's look for the schedule of the theme. We managed to grab tickets for Jurassic 4 and we will gonna watch it here at Siam Paragon Cineplex. And now, bababa muna tayo para kumuha ng facial wash and the things that we need to grab, no? Gamitin ko na rin yung mic ko kasi maingay dito. Nintendo! Oh, DJI! My camera. And your... Ang laki ng Nintendo dito guys. Super big. Switch 2. And available na ang Switch 2 dito. Nice. Did I find it? So since nakabili na tayo ng ticket for the movie, meron tayong nakita dito na hinahanap natin which is the 52 toys. And we are about to grab something sa BTS station kaso nga sira. Pero they have stall here. $52 toys. Here. So let's enter 52 toys here. Woo! 52 toys. I've seen this one. Oh, they're cute. This is... Do you have a confirm of this one? Do you have a confirm already? This is what I like.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Slender. Oh, slender.
It's random. Yeah. I'm gonna take it. I hope it's the devil one.
I don't know.
So guys, I was able to grab Puka Puka. I said I want the devil one. This devil, Puka Puka.
And you think this is the devil?
I don't know, I just pick it. And this is the angel, the counterpart. Oh, oops, sorry. There. What else do you have there? Whoa, Nook. We have Nook here. Nook. And also Lilith. No, they're really good. Yan, pinipicturean ko lang guys. 52 toys. We have Lilith. Donald here. Ayan. Look guys, ang ganda-ganda niya. Nakakainis. Lilith. Yes, this is the one. I'm gonna get one. And one Bloody Mary.
And did you find anything?
This. Where are you going? And one nook. I'm done. So we were
What
able
is
to
detected? Face.
So we were able to grab the two, what do you call it? The puka puka. I hope I grabbed the devil one.
You was at this one.
Yeah, the devil one. $52 toys done. $52 toys. So guys, we were able to grab some blind box at 52 toys. And ito na siya. This is Nook in the paper bag and this is their brand 52 toys competition of tntspace and popmart. There. So we are currently here right now at Starbucks chilling. And this is what we got. A hibiscus tea with pomegranate pearl, a turkey double cheese toast, caramel macchiato, right next to the Paragon Cineplex outside. We will just kill the time here and do unboxing. Let's see who got the angel and the devil of Puka Puka at 52 toys. So guys, let's check first. This is the first one that we grabbed. I wanna get this devil one. These are the choices. We have 6. Padada, Little Devil, Juju, Velvel, Run Run, and Guardian Angel.
And the secret.
And a secret. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's check. We got Juju. We got Juju. Puka Puka. Now we get another one. By the way, this is from the 52 Toys. The competition, or I mean the competitor of tntspace and popmart. Now we have another one, and I hope this one is Little Devil. There. Sabit. This is yours. We got Little Angel. I'm sad, no devil. Now this is yours. Okay, someone is happy here because he got what he want. This is your guardian angel. Now this is yours. That's it, guys. We'll just chill first and eat before the movie starts at the VIP cinema box office, and we will gonna watch Jurassic 4. Guys, we are now here at the VIP lounge for the cinema, and look how beautiful this place is. Sana maganda rin yung cinema sa loob, no? There's a mini bar over there. And we already got our popcorn. Again, we are about to watch Jurassic Park. By the way, guys, may lumapit dito na crew. And nagulat ako kasi pinapili niya ako ng menu. Yung pala, kasama na sa ticket na nabili natin, yung complimentary drink. So, ginagawa na nila yon sa bar nila. And then, sabi nila, pwede rin daw kumain bago pumasok manood ng sine. Ayun, grabe yung service dito, no, nakakatuwa. So guys, papasok na kami ngayon sa loob and papatayin ko naman itong video kasi remember, bawal mag film sa loob ng cinema, no? So, balikan ko na lang kayo after ng movie. Mag-enjoy muna kami manood ng Jurassic 4. Ayan guys, so nakauwi na tayo ng place natin dito sa Thailand and hindi ko na kayo na-update, no, kasi after ng movie, nagmamadali na ako umuwi kasi hinahabol ko yung oras kasi I still need to work, so kailangan kong humabol sa login or else malilate tayo ng punch-in. Anyway, regarding the movie, maganda yung movie na Jurassic 4, so I highly suggest that you watch it, or baka pag na-upload ko to napanood yun na yung Jurassic 4. So just leave a comment if ever that you guys was able to watch it. Para sa akin, the movie is good. It's 9 out of 10. Scarlett Johansson is still, you know, one of the best actress that I adore and look up to. And sulit naman siya, pati yung experience na nakapag-VIP tayo dito sa Thailand, no, for cinema. May blanket, lazy dog yung chair, and pwede kang humiga actually. Hindi lang siya basta lazy dog, talagang hihiga ka. Parang yung kama na nasa Uptown Mall BGC, ganong eksena. So yun, may end ko itong video kasi kailangan ko na mag-work. And then, magsha-shower din tayo maya-maya and quick dinner. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa napaka-ikling video na ito. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!